Welcome to Who's Reading. Soon you will have your own owl and you can buy all kinds of things. Do you want to learn how? Let me show you around. When you first log into your account on Who's Reading, you're going to see this page, which we call the dashboard. On your dashboard, you're going to see all of your assignments listed here. These are activities that your teacher wants you to do on Who's Reading. As you work on these assignments, you're going to watch the meters fill up. You will get lots of coins if you fill them all the way up, and coins are what you need to make those cool owls that we just saw before. Who's Reading assignments are all based around books that you read, but you can read anything you want. While you're in the middle of reading a book, you can get on Who's Reading to log minutes, and you can also answer practice questions at any time. Once you finish the book, you can take a quiz. After taking a quiz, you get to write a book review that all your classmates will see on the class shelf. Let's go through an example together so you'll see what I mean. So I just finished reading one of my favorite books, Harry Potter, and I'm going to take a quiz on it. So I click on the quizzes pass button on my dashboard. Since I read Harry Potter, I typed the title into the book finder, and look, there's my book. Now I take a quiz on it, which is more interesting and fun than you think. The first part of the quiz consists of the part that we're seeing right here, where I choose the book I've read. Since Harry Potter is a chapter book about imaginary things, I fill in that information. Since the book took place in my world and my time, I also put in that information. The next part of the quiz is a fill in the blank question, but shh, don't give away the answer. Mr. Weasley gets bitten by I fill in the blank. After I type in my answer, I get to go to the next part. The next part of the quiz is an open-ended question. Sometimes questions will make you type a little more, but give you the first part of the answer to get you started. The first part that gets filled in we call a sense starter. This may be turned on or turned off depending on what your teacher wants. When I have an open-ended question, my friend Alfonso will pop in with a helpful tip before I start. He really likes to help me do a great job with my answer. Alfonso will even pop in while I'm writing my answer to help me make my answer even better. And if I listen to his advice and change my answer, I'm going to earn even more coins and do better on the quiz. After I finish a quiz, it gets scored, and Alfonso will give me a short report of the things I did great at and the things I can practice for next time. This helps me do better and better with each quiz I take. Now, I don't want to forget to log my reading. It's fun to keep track of how much I've read, and all the books I read will show up on my shelf. Have you read any of the books that I've read? I decided to write a book review since I really love this book. I gave it a full 5 stars. And now my classmates can see how good this book is, and maybe they'll also decide to read it too. Now back to the dashboard. Look, I filled up my quiz meter, 2 out of 2. I have seen my minutes go up 345, and I still, though, have 3 practice questions to do, but I'll do those later. Now I want to show you the owl shop, since I just earned coins from taking a quiz and logging my reading. This is the owl shop, where I can buy all kinds of things from my owl. I won't show you everything now, so it'll be a surprise when you earn some coins and log on. Instead, let's check out the class tree. The class tree is where I can come to see all of my friends' owls. It's fun to look at everyone's owls, and they're always changing. Okay, now let's look at the school page. I wonder how we're doing with our reading goal. Whoa, my school is more than halfway to our goal for the month. We've read a lot. Mr. Smith's class is in first place, but my class is in second place. I bet we can catch up. Okay, are you ready to get started on Who's Reading? I hope you have fun and learn a lot. Enjoy.